position in the committee report, pinagbotohan na rin po on the same vote, ha? Yung accompanying resolution which incorporates the dismissal of the impeachment complaint, no? So in other words, dahil nanindigan ng Justice Committee na hindi sufficient in substance, ang De Jesus at Masa et al. Complaint ay pinagtibay na din na i-dismiss itong dalawang impeachment complaint na ito laban sa ating Pangulo. Nevertheless, both the impeachment complaint and its accompanying resolution are subject to the approval or disapproval of the plenary once it is included in the order of business, no? So right now, we are completing the signatures because it's quite a huge number in the Justice Committee who voted in favor of the approval of the committee report and its accompanying resolution, no? Once makompleto ang signatures ng mga members ng Justice Committee bumoto in favor of the approval, ito po ay aming ifo-forward na sa plenaryo and we will be waiting as to when the same will be included in the order of business upang mapagtalakayan naman po doon sa plenaryo. Para po ito'y ma-approve or ma-disapprove, the requirement is at least 1/3 vote of all the members of the House of Representatives.
Expect the transmittal to the House plenary within the day.
We will definitely transmit today. But as to when the same will be included in the order of business, it will depend on the Committee on Rules.
Hindi po nag-exist yung partial voting eh. So, ibig sabihin, either you vote for the committee report itself or